The photography world is once again buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Nikon, a brand synonymous with professional imaging excellence, is gearing up to launch the Nikon Z9 II, the much-anticipated successor to its flagship mirrorless beast, the Z9. But the question that every photographer, videographer, and gear enthusiast is asking remains: is the Nikon Z9 II truly the future king of professional cameras? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore every possible aspect of the Nikon Z9 II, from leaked specifications and rumored features to its expected performance leaps, AI integration, and where it stands against rivals like the Sony A1 Mark II and Canon EOS R1. Before we understand where the Nikon Z9 II is headed, it's crucial to appreciate the foundation laid by the original Z9. Launched in 2021, the Nikon Z9 broke new ground for Nikon in several ways. Stacked 45.7 MP full-frame sensor. No mechanical shutter. 8K video up to 60 frames per second, later via firmware. High-speed 120 frames per second JPEG burst. Next-gen autofocus system with deep learning. Professional-grade rugged body with pro controls. It was the first mirrorless camera from Nikon that could go head-to-head with the industry's top-tier offerings. In many ways, it wasn't just a response to mirrorless competition, it was Nikon's mirrorless statement. The Nikon Z9 II isn't just an iterative update. If the leaks and insider chatter are to be believed, this camera is poised to push sensor technology to new levels. Revolutionize autofocus tracking with AI. Offer 8K 120 frames per second raw video. Redefine mirrorless speed and buffer performance. Introduce dual XR processors. Cater to the hybrid shooter with equal weight on photo and video. So the future of King question isn't hyperbole, it's Nikon's moment to leapfrog the competition once more. While official specs haven't dropped, here's what trusted sources and Nikon insiders are teasing. Spec Nikon Z9 II, expected. Sensor 45.7 MP stacked CMOS New Gen 45-50 MP stacked CMOS, faster readout. Processor Dual XP7 Dual XR, AI enhanced. Video 8K 60 frames per second, NRAW. 4K 120 frames per second, 8K 120 frames per second NRAW. 4K 240 frames per second. Burst rate 120 frames per second JPEG/20 frames per second RAW, 200 frames per second JPEG/30 frames per second RAW. Buffer 1000 plus RAWs, unlimited RAW buffer with CF Express B. Autofocus 493-point phase detect, AI-driven, expanded subject detection. Viewfinder 3.69 m, .9.44 m, OLED blackout free. LCD 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting 3.2, multi-angle touchscreen. Battery EN, EL18D improved EN, EL18F or same with optimization. Build magnesium alloy, weather-sealed same body plus cooling enhancements. One of the most game-changing rumored features of the Nikon Z9 II is its AI-enhanced autofocus system. We're talking about human eye recognition with occlusion handling. Animal eye/face tracking across more species.